How to add a joint account holder at Bank of America. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the step in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, what you may do is basically head over to Bank of America, of course, and then you can log in into your account first and then go ahead and enroll if you have not yet. So, in order to do so, you need to hold an appointment first. You can schedule an appointment and visit a Bank of America financial center with a person you wish to add as a joint owner. Both individuals will need to be present and bring valid government issue photo IDs for that. So just go ahead and do so. And then a Bank of America associate will help you with all of the necessary forms and procedures. That is generally the most straightforward way to add a joint owner to an existing account. Apart from that, from phone, you can also call at the Bank of America's customer service. The following number available. You can find them that at their website as well. And then they can guide you through the process and help you add the joint account holder over the phone. But both of the parties will still need to verify themselves their identities in person by going to the nearby bank. Apart from that, you can send and return requests to add a joint owner by mail. You can include your name, their name, address, and account number in the letter, and then ensure all the account owners sign the letter. After that, the request should be sent to this particular address, and just go ahead and do so. And if your account's balance is more than $25,000, your letter will also be need to be notarized. So these are some of the methods you can follow up if you'd like to add a joint account at Bank of America application. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.